Welcome to eLearn. Today we are going to see how to move around in Excel. Excel provides a number of ways to move around a sheet using a mouse and keyboard. First of all, let us create some sample test before we proceed. Open a new Excel sheet and type in any data. For example, date, region, representative, item, units, unit cost, and total. Date 1/1/2019. Region East, representative Jones, item pencil, unit 95 numbers, cost 2 rupees. The total cost will be 190 rupees. And second date is 2nd January 2019. Region Central, name William, item binder, unit 50 numbers, cost 20 rupees, total will be 1000. Moving with mouse. So same way we'll copy and paste the details. For moving cursor, just for example, you can easily move the insertion point by clicking in your text anywhere on the screen. Sometimes if the sheet is big, then you cannot see the place where you want to move. In such situation, you would have to use the scroll bars as shown in the following screenshots. This is scroll up, scroll down, this vertical bar, horizontal bar. You can scroll your sheet by rolling your mouse wheel, which is equivalent to clicking up arrow or down arrow buttons in the scroll bar. Moving with scroll bars. As shown in the above, there are two scroll bars, one for moving vertical within the sheet and one for moving horizontally. Using vertical scroll, you may move upwards by line by clicking the upward pointing scroll arrow. Move downwards by one line by clicking the downward point scroll arrow. Move one next page using next page button footnote. Move one page previous using previous page button footnote. Use browse object button to move through the sheet, going from one chosen object to the next. Next is moving with keyboard. The following keyboard commands used for moving around your sheet. Also move the insertion point. Keystroke. Forward one box where the insertion point moves. If you press the keyboard and right one forward, one box, left, back, one box, up, up, one box, down arrow, down, one box, page up to the previous screen, page down to the next screen, home to the beginning of the current page, current screen, end to the end of the current screen. You can move box by box or sheet by sheet. Now click in any box containing data in the sheet. You would have to hold down the control key while pressing an arrow key, which moves the insertion point as described. Key combination. Control left to the last box containing data of the current row. Control left, the first box containing the data of the current row. Control up to the first box containing the data of the current column. Control down to the last box containing the data of the current column. Control page up to the sheet in the left of the current sheet. Control page down to the sheet in the right of the current sheet. Control home to the beginning of the sheet. Control end to the end of the sheet. Moving with go to command. Press F5 key to the use go to command, which will display a dialog box where you will find various options to reach a particular box. Normally we use row and column number, for example K5, and finally press go button. Thank you.